I draw Japan in my sketchbook. My papa told me, Japan is beautiful. I will see it now. I plan everything carefully. Papa always said, Japan needs time. It is not fast, it is deep. Papa.
Arigatou gozaimasu. I practice Japanese every evening. Thank you very much. It is a beautiful language.
I go to your country, Papa. I take the origami crane. I go for you. And for me. Tokyo. I can see it on the board. Tokyo. I walk to the gate now. I go. Goodbye, Grey England. I will come back. But first, Japan. 12 hours. I am ready. A Japanese meal on a Japanese plane. Miso soup and teriyaki salmon. I am already in Japan.
Enjoy your meal.
I cannot sleep. I draw torii gates. I draw Japan. I draw my dream. Mount Fuji. I can see the top of Fujisan above the clouds. Japan, I am here. Real Japan is below me now. The dark rooftops, the green hills, I can see real Japan.
Japan. I am in Japan. The signs are in Japanese. I know some. New Koku, immigration. Japan. New Koku.
I watch Japan from the train window. Rice fields, dark farmhouses. Japan looks like a Ghibli film. Tokyo has so many layers, signs and people and sounds, but everyone is so quiet and calm here. Shibuya Crossing! People walk from all directions at once. This is the most famous crossing in the world. Tokyo Tonkotsu Ramen. The broth is so thick and rich. The egg is perfect. This is a perfect bowl. Harajuku! So many colors, so many styles. Everything is kawaii, cute. I love this street. This Japanese crepe is so tall and beautiful. How do I eat it? I eat it now. Yummy! Akihabara Electric Town at night. Anime buildings, game centers, neon everywhere. Electric Japan. "1,400 years old. I stand here in the morning mist. So ancient, so quiet. I wave the smoke to my head for good health and good luck. This is the Japanese way. Thank you, Kanan-sama. 40 million people live in this city, and I can see Fujisan from here. Japan is so big and so beautiful. Tsukiji Fish Market at 6 in the morning. The tuna is so red and so fresh. The sushi chef's hands are so fast. This tuna is the most fresh I ever eat. In Japan, fresh fish is like art. I understand now. My Shinkansen to Kyoto! This train is so beautiful and so white. It is always on time. Always. The Shinkansen is so fast. But inside it is so smooth and quiet. Japan is fast and quiet at the same time. Fujisan! I can see it! Right there! Perfect and white! Fujisan! I count 12 seconds. Goodbye, Fujisan. I draw Fuji from memory. Fast! Before I forget! The artist must draw what the eye sees in the heart. Kyoto. Tokyo is new and fast. Kyoto is old and slow. I feel the difference immediately. I love it. 5 in the morning. I am alone. 1,000 torii gates. Just me and the gates and the mist. Each gate has a name on the wood. Real people gave these gates. I walk through their kindness.
The philosopher's path. A heron stands in the water. I stand on the path. We are both very quiet.
I wear a kimono in Kyoto. I look Japanese. I am Japanese. I look like I belong here.
I walk slowly in my kimono in Gion. This is old Japan. I feel it in every step I take here. I close my eyes in the bamboo. The bamboo sings in the wind. Nature makes the most beautiful music. Gold. The whole temple is gold, and it reflects gold in the water. I have no more words. Nishiki Market, 400 years of Kyoto food. This pickle shop is older than my country. I taste everything. That's delicious. Kyoto Kaiseki is food as art. I photograph before I eat. I do not want to destroy such beauty with eating. A deer looks at me. Hello, deer. Nara deer are so friendly. Are you hungry? I have a cracker for you. The Great Buddha, 14 meters tall, 1,200 years old. I feel very small and very grateful. I draw Fuji-san, with the red torii gate and the lake reflection. This is my best drawing. This is Japan. Hot water, cold mountain air, steam, Fuji in the distance. My whole body says, thank you. Osaka kuidaure! Eat until you drop! Takoyaki in my hands, neon in the water. I love Osaka! Hot, very hot, but so good! Inside is octopus! The bonito flakes move! They dance on the hot ball. Osaka Castle! The stone walls are 400 years old! White tower and gold trees! I draw it in my sketchbook. The chef says, gentle hands for sushi, not too much rice.
Good. Use gentle pressure.
I try. My roll is not perfect. But it is mine. I eat my sushi. I made this sushi with my own hands.
It is not perfect.
But it tastes so good. Thank you, Sensei. The atomic bomb dome. It stands so people never forget. I stand here and I say, peace, peace, always peace. Sadako folded 1,000 cranes. She wished for peace and health. I bring my crane too, for peace. The torii gate floats on the water. I put my feet in the sea. Japan is so beautiful it makes my heart hurt. Yanaka, old Tokyo. A cat sits on the old stone. Tokyo has quiet places too. I love this cat. An old forest inside the biggest city in the world. Only in Japan. I walk and I feel the old city and the new city at the same time. In the garden, I think. Japan is not only outside me now. Japan is inside me. I understand this now. Cherry blossom tape for Mama. She will love it. I bring Japan home in a little bag of gifts. Kanpai! Cheers! Last night in Japan, yakitori and cold beer. Papa, I found your Japan. It is beautiful. Shutsupatsu. In Japanese, departure. I read Japanese now. I say goodbye to Japan now. Sayonara. Last breath of Japan air. I breathe it in. I keep it in my body. Sayonara, Japan. Tokyo is small now. Fujisan is small now. But Japan inside me is very big. Thank you, Japan. Arigato. I write in my book, Japan changed the way I draw. Japan changed the way I see. Japan changed me. I am home in Manchester. My sketchbook is full. The grey sky is the same, but I am not the same. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Japan. I draw my Japan now. The torii gates from memory. This is my Japan. I put it on paper. I make it mine.
Papa, I found it. Your Japan. It is real. It is beautiful. And now I will draw it. For you.
Japan taught me to draw with patience. To look before I draw. To see before I make. I bring Japan to my work now. I make matcha in Manchester. Japanese tea in my Manchester studio. Japan is in my morning now. Every morning.
2 pictures on the wall. Hokusai's Japan and my Japan. Gray sky outside. Green tea in my hands. I am home. I will draw Japan forever now.